First, though, I want to discuss my Bitcoin trading range. It's a very clean one, so I want to talk about how this trading range came about. So, as you guys know, I really like looking for breakdown and breakout points. So this point, of course, is going to jump out at me initially, that 99.1k-ish area. So all I do when I find a level like this is I extend it to the left or to the right, see if there's some historical significance at the level, some higher time frame significance, or some just recent time significance of the level. We could see clear resistance here that led to a low, which is also ideal, and then a breakout point here, a retest as well of the level before just nuking through the level. So as far as I'm concerned, this is a very valid range high. Well, now that I have a range high, I need a range low. And what's pretty easy, to be honest, about finding a range low is, yes, you can look for a breakdown point as well, but really what you could do is see where price stopped dumping, put in a low for a decent amount of time, and extend that line to the right. So you may be thinking to yourself, can you use something like, I don't know, this as a low? And sure, I mean, it works out perfectly. I'll explain what the EQ is after this if you don't know, but yes, sure, that's fine. But is that really going to be helpful with the price action that we have? This is really just a 3.5% range, so that really wouldn't do me any good. So I want to find a level where lows are untapped and, you know, there's a good opportunity for price to trade back at that level potentially. I have educational content on this topic, of course, but that's just a brief overview. So I find my range high here, find my range low, and all the EQ is just 50% of the trading range. Okay, perfect. And it's just half of the trading range, and you can see the EQ is just a perfect H1 support and resistance flip as well. So to make a long story short, this is a very clean trading range.